Is the police bill an assault on liberty? Will your right to protest be impacted by sweeping proposed powers contained in the police bill, which includes a new public nuisance offence with a maximum sentence of 10 years in prison, a new locking on offence with a maximum sentence of 1 year in prison, a new offence of interference with a key national infrastructure such as a planned road, train or runway with a maximum sentence of 1 year in prison, a new offence banning loudspeakers and protesting around Parliament with a maximum fine of £5,000, a new offence of living in a protest camp with a maximum sentence of 3 months in prison, a new police suspicionless stop, search and seizure power with a maximum sentence of 1 year in prison for obstructing an officer, a new protester banning order, criminalising those who breach conditions such as accessing the internet and failing to inform the police where they live and where they are, and a new law forcing local authorities to share sensitive information about protesters to the police. But will the proposed powers in the police bill deny people the right to protest? No, according to the government, who say that these new powers will only target highly disruptive tactics used by some protesters who cause a disproportionate impact on communities, which are a huge drain on public and police funds, are dangerous, impact on business profits, press freedom and parliamentary democracy, and for some protesting styles are ultimately self-defeating. However, critics argue that the police bill will only serve to protect big, fuel-polluting corporations, deny protesters being seen and heard, to hold accountable politicians and others in power, give police the powers to deny peaceful protests, including outside Parliament, deter public dissent against government policy, home or abroad, for fear of severe penalties and data sharing with potential consequences for their future employment or travel, are unnecessary where the existing powers capable of controlling and banning highly dangerous and disruptive protests, and are simply repressive, going too far on a slippery slope to a police state. Vigils, marches, demos, from BLM to climate change, anti-war to reclaim the streets, austerity cuts to pay cuts, national or local campaigns. With these new proposed wide powers, will these kinds of protests be struggles of the past, or will they be protected by the law? Will new laws foster an open society or closed society? Do you believe protest is a gift from the state or the fundamental right of the people? Do you support the police bill or campaign against it? You decide, and may the justice be with you.